Since I usually serve you guys with that bust down middle part, I'm going to give you some side part action today. And on top of that, I'm going to give you some layers, okay? We are adding layers to this V-Part wig today. I'm living. I'm obsessed. It's everything. Okay? It's everything. That's literally all I got to say. So first things first, let me just show you guys what the inside of the unit looks like. They provide you with a bunch of combs. You get about 5 in the front. You get some combs on the back, and then you get an adjustable band as well. I am going to utilize the adjustable band, make that unit nice and tight and snug, because I want to make sure that that unit is not sliding off of my head. It is feeling very much so secure. So I highly suggest doing that. If you feel like the unit is a little loose, if you put it on without doing the adjustable bands, definitely tighten it up in the back. And then I'm going to use those clip-ins that they provide to make sure the unit is nice and secure. And y'all, when I did that, it felt so good. It felt like it wasn't moving. And initially I was like, oh, I really love how this looks. I really liked how it looked even without the layers, but I was like, I want to add a little bit more life to this look today, and the layers did that, okay? So I'm just going to take it section by section, just kind of cut throughout the unit until I get the desired look that I'm going for. You guys, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just kind of dabble in the wig area, and sometimes the layers work and sometimes they don't, but today they happen to work out perfectly. It kind of matched with the length of my hair. I was able to just flip the bangs back, make them nice and powerful, and I also did it on the opposite side as well. Adding layers to both sides can really make the unit look really good. Not to mention that the leave out just blended oh so well. And with these V-Part wigs, y'all, they lay so flat because of how they're made with like the ending area of where the V-part is. You would really, really love these and maybe even prefer them over U-part wigs. But my preference is definitely a V-part. I really like how those operate. I like that they don't feel so bulky towards the root area. They just lay really flat, and it just really helps with making the wig look really natural. So that's really all I did. You know, I added a few curls here and there with my flat iron. Very simple process, honestly. If your hair is already straightened, it'll be even easier for you. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I will have a direct link for you. If you have any questions, leave them in my comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.